भुवनेश्वर में उद्घाटित होइছে वर्ल्ड स्किल सेंटर बा विश्व दक्षता केन्द्र। यह उद्घाटन करिसेंती मुख्यमंत्री नवीन पट्टनायक। 1342 कोटी टंका अनुदान रे एही केन्द्र प्रतिष्ठा करा जायछि। सिंगापुर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्निकल एजुकेशन, वर्ल्ड स्किल, रूसिया ग्लोबल इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर ट्रांसफर स्किल्स, दक्षिण कोरिया मॉडल अनुसार प्रतिष्ठा होइछि। ओडिशा स्किल डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट अधीन रे एशिया विकास बैंक सहायता रे ए सेंटर प्रतिष्ठा होइछि। सिंगापुर आईटीई एजुकेशन सर्विसेज एहार नॉलेज पार्टनर रहिछि। वर्ल्ड स्किल प्रतियोगिता पाई नोडाल एजेंसी भाबे कार्य करिबो एही केन्द्र। पुनः स्किलिंग एवं अपस्किलिंग व्यतीत आईटीआई पॉलिटेक्निक छात्र छात्री पाई मॉड्यूलर पाठ्यक्रम प्रदान कराजिबो। ओडिशा रे शिल्प संस्था गुड़िक पाई एही केन्द्र सेंटर फॉर इंडस्ट्री पार्टनरशिप भाबे कार्य करिबो। राज्य रे प्रथम करी केवल एही केन्द्र रे रेफ्रिजरेशन एंड एयर कंडीशनर, मेकानिकल एवं इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्विसेज, वर्टिकल ट्रांसपोर्ट, इंजीनियरिंग एवं इलेक्ट्रिकल टेक्नोलोजी सहित फैशन एवं डिजाइन, सौंदर्य और सुस्थता भली पाठ्यक्रम आरंभ हेबाकु जाउछे।
Our ITIs are among the best in the country. Sustained efforts have been made by OSDA and Skill Development of Technical Education Department to improve the skill ecosystem of the state are commendable. World Skills Center will further support our endeavor by providing advanced skill training to our youth and prepare them for competing at the global level. World Skills Center will take a lead in taking a giant leap of transformation from the present to the future for all polytechnics and ITIs in Odisha. World Skills Center will also drive skill competition and will be landing point for all industry collaborations in skill ecosystem. I also take this opportunity to express my gratitude to Asian Development Bank and ITE Education Services, Singapore, for collaborating with Odisha for setting up a premier skill institute at par with global excellence. I'm sure that with large support from all stakeholders, World Skills Center and Odisha will set a new standard in technical education and vocational training. Biju Babu always dreamt of an Odisha where youth acquire world-class skills and make a name for themselves globally. On his 105th birth anniversary, I am happy to dedicate World Skills Center to the people of Odisha.
We need to know the length of the journey we have traversed to understand how we have reached to this point. And we must ask, where do we go from here? 5 years ago, in the list of top 100 ITI in India, Odisha did not have a worthy mention. Today, per the Government of India ranking, out of India's top 100, 11 are from the state of Odisha. Sir, this year in the All India competition for apprenticeship, 6 out of 10 positions were claimed by students of your state. 5 years ago, no one knew that India's largest ITI is in Brahmapur. Today, ITI Brahmapur is an Asian Book of Records. Its students have read papers in international conferences and it has filed patents for the designs created by its students and staff. ITI Cuttack has opened its door to collaborations with global brands to set up many centers of excellence.
Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Chief Minister and his commitment for providing increased opportunities to our youth, today we are taking one big step forward towards realizing our dream of skill ecosystem at par with global excellence. 5 years back, we set ourselves on a mission given by Honorable Chief Minister to build a brand of skilled professionals called Skilled in Odisha.